When we start learning how to play a musical instrument, we have the natural tendency of using the fingers that just feel right. Usually, that's finger 1 and 2. The following exercise is going to help you develop all fingers, not just 1 and 2, but we're going to add 3 and 4 to the mix. This is how we're going to do it. We're going to place our thumb right in the center. We're going to relax our hand, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to go to string number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to try to keep our fingers close to the fretboard and in a parallel motion. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, string number 3, string number 4, and string number 5. We're going to do all of this with our picking. So we're going to do picking down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. String number 2. String number 3. String number 4. String number 5. Okay, there's a few things here. First, you're going to try to make sure that your picking is going down and up, but not only that, that you're actually hitting both strings, okay? Sometimes when we go down, we hit the top string and we leave the bottom string out. And when we go up, we hit the bottom string and we leave the top string up. So when we're picking, we're making sure that we're hitting both strings. And we're also making sure that the finger goes with the picking. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can have a little bit more fun with it by just changing up your picking, so you can do this way. Not only are you working with your fingers, but you're also working with your picking. Okay, so give that a try. Start from the first string all the way to the 5th and then go down. You can go up and down, up and down. Start really slow, making sure that your fingers are placed in the correct way and that your picking is going in the correct motion.